You might be thinking, what's the difference between the toast and bagel functions? Good question. The main difference is the Element IQ system adjusts the cook time and intensity differently to ensure you achieve that classic golden glow. Toast delivers even heat energy, top and bottom, for the duration of the cook, while bagel begins with even heat energy, then shifts more heat energy to the top of the oven for more of the cook time to beautifully brown the cut side of the bagel or melt the toppings. To begin, set your rack to position 1 in the downward position. When making bagels, the Smart Oven Air Fryer Compact has room for up to 4 slices, and you have complete control over the toasting darkness of your bagels with the temp time dial. This capability is really clever because browning can vary from bagel to bagel, particularly those made from white, dark, and seeded breads. If you're using frozen bagels, use the Frozen button. When it's activated, it reduces the oven temperature and extends the timer slightly to ensure the food is heated thoroughly without burning the outside or constant monitoring. When you're ready, hit the Start/Stop button to commence bagel browning. The LCD will turn orange and your timer will automatically begin. At the end of your timer, if you'd like your bagels to be slightly darker, press the A Bit More button to add 30 more seconds of cook time. A homemade bagel. What a way to start your day, right?